Let's face it, there is nothing worse than stepping into your shower after an exhausting day, only to be greeted by a pathetic, trickling stream of water that leaves you shivering. I dealt with a weak, crusty shower head for years because picking a new one felt completely overwhelming. Which finish? Handheld or Raincan? Will it actually improve the water pressure? To save you from those terrible showers, I bought and tested the top Delta shower heads on the market. Today, I'm revealing the absolute best ones, but my number one pick completely transformed my mornings forever. 5. Delta 5 Setting Champagne Bronze Shower. When I first took this model out of the box, I was immediately struck by the aesthetic. The champagne bronze is undeniable elegance, offering a muted, warm gold tone that instantly elevates the look of a standard bathroom. Installing, it was a breeze, taking me less than 5 minutes with just a bit of plumber's tape and an adjustable wrench to get it securely fitted onto the shower arm. In my testing, I found 5 different spray settings to be quite versatile for everyday use. You get everything from a standard full-body spray to a massaging jet, which is meant to work out the tension in your shoulders after a long day at the office. Navigating between these settings is done by twisting the face dial. The full-body spray provides decent coverage, making it easy to rinse out shampoo without having to awkwardly dance around the tub to get wet. However, my experience with this model wasn't entirely flawless. While testing the massage setting, I noticed that the water pressure felt a bit underwhelming compared to my expectations. It lacked that deep, penetrating force that truly soothes tired muscles, feeling more like a strong trickle than a genuine hydromassage. Additionally, the dial to change the settings felt a little stiff out of the box, requiring a surprisingly firm grip with soapy hands to switch modes mid-shower, which broke the relaxation a bit. Another downside I encountered during my weeks of testing was the upkeep of that beautiful finish. While the champagne bronze looks stunning when perfectly dry, it tends to show water spots quite prominently if you aren't diligent about wiping it down after every single use. 4. Delta Faucet 7 Spray Touch Clean. I decided to test this one because a handheld unit is practically essential for anyone who needs to wash pets, clean the tub, or simply enjoy a closer, more targeted rinse. Right off the bat, having 7 distinct spray options feels like a luxury. You are spoiled for choice with drenching sprays, massage sprays, and a convenient pause feature that is fantastic for saving water while you are shaving or lathering up. One of the biggest highlights during my hands-on testing was Delta's Touch Clean technology. If you live in an area with hard water like I do, you know the struggle of mineral buildup clogging your nozzles and ruining the spray pattern. With this model, I could literally just wipe away the calcium and lime deposits with my thumb. It is a massive time saver and ensures that the water stream stays straight and powerful over time, rather than shooting off in weird directions. However, despite the highly functional spray patterns, I have to be completely honest about the build quality. When I was unboxing and installing the unit, the overall feel of the shower head was noticeably lightweight and overwhelmingly plastic. While this makes it easy to hold for long periods without fatiguing your arm, it lacks the premium, durable heft that you would typically expect from a top-tier bathroom fixture. It feels a bit like a budget option in the hand, even though the performance of the actual water spray is commendable. My biggest gripe, though, was the hose. Out of the box, the plastic hose is incredibly stiff and stubbornly holds the coiled shape from its packaging. 3. Delta Faucet 5 Spray Intuition. This is where my testing experience started to take a major turn for the better. The Intuition design is a masterclass in shower innovation, combining a fixed overhead shower with a detachable hand shower that docks seamlessly together. When I first installed it, I was amazed by how it gives you the absolute best of both worlds without requiring any complicated, expensive behind-the-wall plumbing modifications. During my daily showers, the functionality of the integrated hand shower proved to be incredibly convenient. You can run the water from the fixed shower head alone, the hand shower alone, or both simultaneously. When I tested both streams at once, it created a wonderfully immersive, drenching experience that completely enveloped me in warmth. The transition between the modes is smooth, and popping the handheld unit out of its dock to rinse off my legs or wash down the shower walls felt completely effortless and natural. The standout feature that really impressed me is the magnetite docking system. Unlike older handheld models where you have to perfectly align clumsy plastic clips to reattach the wand, this one uses a powerful magnet. I literally tested closing my eyes, reaching up, and letting the magnet pull the hand shower securely into place with a satisfying snap. It never slips, it never droops, and the heavy-duty docking ensures the fixture looks perfectly aligned every single time you step out of the tub. Furthermore, this model utilizes Delta's H2 O-Kinetic technology, which is a total game-changer for water pressure. In my tests, the H2 O-Kinetic setting sculpted the water into a unique wave pattern, making the droplets feel larger and the coverage feel significantly broader. 2. Delta Faucet 9 Spray Slide Bar. If you have a household with people of varying heights, or if you simply want a high-end spa-like setup, this slide bar configuration is an absolute must-have. When I mounted this in the test bathroom, the stainless steel finish immediately gave the space a modern, premium aesthetic. It is also completely ADA compliant, which adds a layer of accessibility and safety that is incredibly thoughtful. The defining feature of this setup is, of course, the 24-inch slide bar itself. I tested the adjustability extensively, and sliding the mount up and down the bar is buttery smooth. This meant that when my taller partner used a shower, they could raise it to the very top for fantastic overhead coverage. And when I used it, I could lower it to the exact perfect height, so I wouldn't have to get my hair wet. It completely eliminates the awkward crouching and bending that comes with fixed-height shower heads. On top of the phenomenal ergonomics, the hand shower itself boasts an impressive 9 different spray settings. I spent a long time cycling through these, and there's truly a setting for every mood. The drenching full spray is perfect for a quick morning rinse, but the soft drenching spray is incredibly soothing after a long day. There are also targeted massage settings that I found to be wonderfully therapeutic on tight neck muscles, delivering a consistent, powerful pulse without stinging the skin. The construction of this unit is incredibly robust. Unlike some of the cheaper models I tested earlier, the stainless steel components here feel substantial and highly durable, clearly built to withstand years of constant, daily adjustments. 1. Delta Faucet Single Spray Raincan. If you're looking for the ultimate, unadulterated luxury shower experience, this is the one you need to buy. During my testing, the moment I installed this massive, square Raincan, it completely transformed the entire vibe of the bathroom. The matte black finish is stunningly sleek, modern, and surprisingly resistant to fingerprints and hard water stains, maintaining its flawless look day after day. What makes the shower head my absolute favorite is the sheer, overwhelming volume of water it delivers. While other models try to impress you with a dozen different dials and confusing settings, this Raincan focuses on doing one thing absolutely perfectly, providing a heavy, drenching downpour. When I stood underneath it, the large faceplate offered edge-to-edge coverage that completely enveloped my shoulders and torso. It genuinely replicated the sensation of standing in a warm, gentle summer rainstorm. I was initially skeptical that a single-setting rain shower might lack the water pressure needed to properly rinse out thick hair. However, my testing proved me completely wrong. Delta has engineered the internal water channels perfectly so that gravity and pressure work together to push the water out with surprising force. It isn't sharp or stinging like some high-pressure models, but rather heavy and substantial, effortlessly cutting through thick shampoo and conditioner in record time. Beyond the phenomenal performance, the pure relaxation this shower head offers is entirely unmatched. There is something deeply therapeutic about not having to hold a wand or adjust a dial. You just step in, stand still, and let the cascading water completely melt your stress away. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a solid, heavy-duty construction that guarantees longevity. Ultra. That's all for today.